welcome back to the channel. At the moment I am driving on my way to meet the guys. I don't know where we are meeting just yet. Waiting for confirmation at the moment, so I'm headed there now. So stay tuned. Today's video, I'm pretty sure it's going to be something fun. Hopefully some cars come out and then we get some lovely content, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and your family, and yeah, just turned green. Yeah, that's all you get for now. Stay tuned.
I see. The one Charlie.
We made it to Marina Mall, where we usually come to, and we have cars available. So I'm gonna walk you guys through all the cars that are here. You know, we have the Golf R, the Golf 7R. We've seen this one. It's for Jesse. We have Lester's Honda Accord. We have KB. We have Lester's Honda Accord. We have Sam's Honda Accord. These two are tuned, guys. When you see them on the roads of Ghana, do not try, because they'll pass you. And we have my baby. Then we have the RS3. Sounds lovely. It's a lovely machine. Then we have the 540i. Temp, fastest 540, fastest B58 in Ghana. If you have a B58 and you want a challenge, just come. He's not going to stress himself. Just come. You say, so today, what's today saying?
Oh, I tell you that I got this. Hey!
Say what? Woo! Woo! Downshift. Plus, please. That was a hard entrance. That was a very hard entrance. Abuzigi. And that's what? That's what? baddest guy. Highest guy. Hey. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You can see this is a 720s and it looks good. I think it drives good, I don't know, but yeah. Can't really say much about the 720s. It's more like if you know, you know. It's a lovely car, it's a track car, both for drag racing and for the main track. Again, we have the GT 86 or the BRZ, whichever one it is, with the Wakanda Forever. Now that's how you move a car. That's how you move a car. I did tell you. See.
He needs to do a burnout here. No. He needs to do a burnout.
Yo!
Hey!
720 as well.